Mrs. Chaparro. Hey guys, it's me, Mrs. Chaparro, back at you with another screencast. This time I will be talking to you about Brain Pop. So, I have put some links in Brain Pop, I have put some links in Google Classroom that are Brain Pop assignments, and I think some of you are having problems getting to them, and I want to give you an alternative way to get to them, or doing what I'm going to show you might solve your problem in Google Classroom. I think what the problem might be is maybe some of you have gotten logged out of your school Google accounts. I know you all know you have school emails that all are your username at student at sps186.org. But what you need to understand is that email is supported by Google. And if you're not signed in, weird things happen. So right now I want you to go ahead and follow my instructions to make sure you're signed in. So I am on a website, and I'm on a web browser. I have typed in Google. You will see this sign in button at the right hand side. It's blue with white writing. Click it and it brings you to this screen. And of course, it has all my names saved because I use my computer all the time. But to remind you guys, your emails are your username at students.sps186.org. This is the pattern for a student's email. Okay? At this point, you would click next and enter your password, which is your birth month and a period and your lunch pin. So you guys know that. But I'm going to go back and get logged into my stuff real quick. So when you do this, you guys know, I don't want to save it. You guys know that no longer will it say sign in. It has the 9 squares, also called the Google waffle. If you click it, you will see all these things. Yours probably has less than mine has. Here's Google Classroom. If you're unable to get to the Brain Pop activity through Google Classroom, once you're signed in, you'll know you're signed in because this thing changes. I want you to scroll down until you find Brain Pop. When you click that, you will be magically signed in. Maybe. And you are magically signed in. Now, this of course is my account, Lindsay Chaparro. I am a teacher. It will look different from yours, but it should say your name. And then there should be something up here like assignments, or it might even say dashboard with a little red like warning sign here with that tells you you have an assignment. That might be what you have to do to get this done. Okay? So if your Google Classroom is not taking you to Brain Pop, try getting through this way. If all else fails, keep emailing me, guys. It'll be okay. I'm not going to give you an F because the technology is not cooperating. We will figure out something else. As always, friends, stay safe and don't touch your pretty little faces. Goodbye.